Good morning, Amington Heath. It's time for our Star of the Week assembly. We're starting at the top of the school this week, and our first Star of the Week in Year 6 is Cameron. Cameron has been a determined and independent alien this week. He's been working exceptionally hard in writing and in reading, and has displayed great determination to complete his work. Great work, Cameron. Keep it up. Our second Star of the Week in Year 6 is Ethan. Ethan has been a determined and independent alien this week. He has worked hard in reading and has been able to give detailed answers in writing and his maths this week. He's been extremely focused and determined to achieve the objectives. Great work. Well done, Ethan. Moving on to Year 5, we have Isabelle Price-Webber. Isabelle has been extremely determined and aspirational this week. She's completed a super Christmas story in RE, worked hard on coordinates, and written some excellent sentences using relative clauses completely independently. A fabulous week, Isabelle. Really well done. Our second star is Gracie. Gracie has shown a really positive attitude to her learning this week. She's made super progress with coordinates in maths on all 4 quadrants and written some great sentences using relative clauses. A really determined alien this week, Gracie. Really well done. Moving on to Year 3-4, we have Riley. Riley has been a really great example to the other children this week, working well and really trying hard to help others around him as well as focusing on his work. That's really great to hear, Riley. Well done. And our second star in Year 3-4 is Lydia. Mrs. Ricketts says, we've had a difficult week this week, but Lydia has coped really well, still doing her work and behaving well as she always does. And I know I've seen some fantastic work from Lydia in our reading lessons as well, with a really focused effort on her handwriting and presentation. So that's great, Lydia. In Year 2-3, our first star is Keon. Keon is our Star of the Week because he is always ready, always respectful and always responsible. He tries really hard to work independently and assist his team members whenever he can. He is a delight to be around and lights up the room with his magical smile. Well done, Keon. That's really lovely to hear. Our second star in 2-3 is Shay. Shay has got our Star of the Week because he has been working incredibly hard on his phonics. He struggled to see split digraphs when they appeared in words, but now, wow! He's like a phonics detective, looking in books on the working wall and none escape his keen eye now. Really well done, Shay. Moving on to Year 1, we have Darcy O'Kane. Darcy has been a really responsible and respectful alien this week. She's worked super hard to pronounce and improve her sounds in Read, Write, Ink and in class. Really well done, Darcy. Excellent. And our second star in Year 1 is Ellie Bestwick-Pierce. Ellie has been an extremely determined alien this week. She's made super effort in Read, Write, Ink and has tried hard to use her Fred talk in all her lessons. Well done, Ellie. Moving on to the youngest children in school, we've got Peyton in Little Learners. Peyton has been a determined alien. She's shown a really can-do attitude and taps out a beat on the drum and says her name. I bet that's great fun. And our final star for this week is Regan. Regan has also been a determined alien. He sits well at group time and waits for his turn to tap the drum and say his name. Regan shows self-belief and tries really hard. We've had some fantastic aliens in school this week. Well done, all of you. Our final bit of our assembly is onto our planet points. Some really big gaps between the bottom and the top this week. So in 4th place with 186 points, we've got Yellow Team. In 3rd place, it's Green with 210. And then in 2nd place, Blue with 334, which means this week's winners are the Red Team with a massive 415 points. Really well done, Reds. It's lovely to see everybody working super hard in school this week. I hope you all have a lovely weekend and we'll see you all on Monday. Take care, everybody.